Hello dear students, today we are going to study about the nouns and different kinds of nouns. Now let me tell you the definition of noun. The words which are used as names of persons, places, animals or things are called as nouns. I repeat, the definition of noun is the words which are used as names of persons, places, animals or things are called as nouns. For example, pencil, bag, cow, fish, school, Reena. Now here we can see that pencil and bag are the examples of things. Cow and fish are the examples of animals. And school is an example of place, whereas Reena is an example of a person. So, I hope you have understood the definition of noun. Students, there are 5 different kinds of nouns. The first one is the common noun. The second one is proper noun, then collective noun, abstract noun, and the material noun. Now, since you are in class 4, we are going to study about the common noun, proper noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. The material noun you will study when you will go in class 5. Now I am going to explain you one by one with the help of the examples. Now let me explain you about the common noun. Now what are common nouns? Common nouns are the names of the general people, places, animals or things. They are termed in general, like we don't have any name to that. Like for example, the girl, it can be any girl. Engineer, it can be any engineer because there is no specific name to it. It can be any city, it can be any mountain, any flower or any shoes, etc. Now, if we are not specifying it with a specific name and it is termed as general, then these things are called as the common nouns. Next is proper noun. Now, when we talk about the proper nouns are the names of the specific people, places, animals or things. For example, if we are talking about a girl, but if we give the name to the girl like Rita, so that is the proper noun. Engineer, like engineer. So, Mr. Sharma is an engineer. So, Mr. Sharma is a proper noun here. City. If it is any city, if it is not given any name, then it is a common noun. But if we say as Kanpur city or Chennai city, so it is called as the proper noun. Then mountain, it can be any mountain as a common noun. But if we talk about the proper noun, it has to be a name. So like the Himalayan mountains. So Himalayan mountain is the proper noun. Flower, it can be any species of the flower. Okay. Now shoes. Unless and until it has a name like Reebok shoes or Adidas shoes or Puma shoes. Okay, so now these are called as proper noun. So the proper nouns are the names of the specific people, places, animals or things. Now the next one, the collective noun. Now what are collective nouns? Collective nouns are the name given to the group of people, animals or things of one kind is called as a collective noun. I repeat, the name given to a group of people, animals or things of one kind. When we term it is as a collection of one kind of things, people or animal, it is called as a collective noun. For example, an army of soldiers. Now it is an example of a group of people, an army of soldiers and a class of students. So they are the collective noun. A litter of puppies is an example of group of animals like the herd of cattle. Okay, so the litter of puppies, the herd of cattle are the collective noun. Now the next one, the group of things is termed as, like for example, a bunch of keys or a bunch of bananas. Now these are the examples of the collection of things. I hope you have understood the collective noun. Now students, what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are the nouns which refers to an abstract thing which has no material existence. It does not exist. We cannot see it, we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. We can only feel or think of such things because it does not physically exist. Like for example, anxiety. The anxiety is there, but you cannot see it. You can just feel it. The fear, pleasure, anger, shock, sorrow. Now all these are the examples of abstract nouns because they are not physically present, but yes, they are present in the terms of your feelings. Okay? Students, I hope you have understood all the 4 different kinds of nouns. The common noun, the proper noun, the collective noun and the abstract nouns. And if yes, if you have understood it properly, then you will be able to do all the exercises related to it which are given in your workbook very easily. Okay? Thank you so much, students. Bye-bye.